Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry Classes. Today I am going to explain, already I explained in last video regarding concentrate, how we are going to concentrate the metals. Now I am going to explain about extraction of crude metals. So you know these are the top of the activity series. Means extraction of metal at the top of the activity series. Now here generally a simple chemical reduction methods like heating with what you call carbon or you take carbon monoxide, like these metals, means in the reduction these are not fusible. So for these metals the only one method is available for the extraction of what you call above metals, that is electrolysis. Only one methodology, that is electrolysis. Means how you are going to extract the metals. So generally we will take one metal, how you are going to extract, that is you take sodium chloride, namak uppu, salt. So here, for example, sodium from NaCl, fused NaCl is electrolyzed with a steel cathode. You take a steel cathode. Generally here what happened, what is cathode? So cathode is a negatively charged electrode. Then here you take a anode. Anode is a positively charged. So this is very important in many competitive type of examination. Here cathode is a negatively charged. Here steel tank. Here steel tank acts as a cathode, and here and graphite rod, that is graphite rod acts as a anode. This is very important. In many competitive type of examination he will ask. Here what happened, cathode in extraction of sodium from sodium chloride. So here steel tank acts as a cathode and graphite acts as a anode. So here generally this is a positively charged particle, this is a negative. I will write this positively charged particle attracts Cl minus ions. Why? This is a positive, it attracts. Means it required 2 electrons and converted into Cl2 gas. 2Cl, 2Cl. Means in naturally what happened? Na plus and Cl minus. This Na plus is attracted by this electrode. Why? This is a negatively charged, this is a positive. This negative charge attracts positive. So Na gives rise to Na plus electron to form Na. If required 2 electrons, then you take it 2. Then 2 sodium. You take. So here what happened? This is a positively charged ion attracted by this negative. This is called what? A cation. This is very important. This is called anion. Anion, cations, cathode attracts cations, anode attracts anions. So generally here what happened, positively charged particle attracts negative. So here by gaining 2 electrons, or here what happened, sodium is deposited. Here automatically what happened, sodium is deposited, very important, at cathode. Generally metals are deposited at cathode. And here what happened, anode, that is Cl minus, by gaining 2 electrons are converted into Cl2 gas. Chlorine gas is liberated. Chlorine gas is liberated at anode. So anyway, finally what is our conclusion? So you collected sodium metal. You collected sodium metal from this. So finally, this is one of the method by electrolysis. So sodium is collected from fused sodium chloride. This is one of the method. This is at the top of the what you call activity series. So here one of the what you call metal is extracted, that is sodium metal. Next, in the extraction of crude metals, so bottom of the activity, middle of the activity series. So already from the middle of the activity series, extraction of the metals from the middle of the activity series. Suppose you take zinc, iron, tin, lead, you take copper, middle of the activity series. Now we are going to extract these metals from the respective ores. Generally, these metals occur in their respective sulfide ores or carbonate ores. They occur in the form of carbonates or sulfide ores. Means therefore, first give priority. First they must reduction of ores into their respective metals. First their respective means they are converting to their respective metals. So here, suppose for example, here what happened, you take best example. So best example, suppose sulfide ores, you take roasted one. Suppose first lead sulfide. The lead sulfide react with first they are converted. This is what a lead sulfide ores. It undergoes what a roasting. It is nothing but in presence of air to form a lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Means the respective sulfides, they are converted into their respective oxides. That is naturally to form the respective ores. Means first sulfides are converted into the respective oxygen, means oxides. So here what happened, lead oxide react with reducing agents to form lead plus carbon monoxide. Means first they are converted into the respective oxides to anything, and here by using reducing agents like means metallic oxides are reduced to the respective metals by using suitable reducing agents like carbon or carbon monoxide. So at high temperature, naturally they are converted into approximately 1000 degrees centigrade. They are converted into, finally, what is our aim? What is our aim? Generally we will collect the respective ores from the means metals from their ores. So lead oxide, so they are converted into lead and iron, so to form the respective ores. This is one of the method. So next one is self-reduction. So some in the extraction of copper from the respective sulfide ores to give its oxides. Suppose for example, these from the sulfides to oxides, oxides to metal. This is one of the method. And the next method that is Cu2O, Cu2S, cuprous, cuprite, that is Cu2O, react with oxygen to form, means sulfide. So to form the respective oxides, sulfides to self-reduction to form the respective oxides with the liberation of sulfur dioxide. Again here what happened? Cuprous oxide react with the Cu2S to form. What happened here? Metal is obtained with the liberation of sulfur dioxide. So like this, what happened? Cuprous sulfide react with means undergoes roasting, so to form the respective oxide with the liberation of water sulfur dioxide. Then Cu2O react with CuS to form the respective, means finally we collect one of the metal, so like this Cu. So like this here at the top of the series we are going to extract we are going to extract like iron, what you call lead and copper. This is very important. So we studied how to extract the metals from the respective crude metal. This is very important. So thank you very much. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.